So today, let us try to understand about cloud security, their challenges and cloud security best practices in 2024. So as we know in recent years, the importance of security measures in organizations, right, has been increasing rapidly. So hence organizations, they need cloud security so that these organizations can move towards a digital transformation strategy, and incorporate with cloud-based tools. So let us try to understand in detail about this cloud security, their definitions and their mechanism. Let me just help you with my note and explain you here. First, let us try to understand what is cloud security. So cloud security is nothing but it's a collection of best security practices that are mainly designed to protect the cloud-based infrastructure, data, and applications. Let me help you with the definition. Cloud security, it's a collection of best security practices that are mainly designed to protect the cloud-based infrastructure, data, and applications. So these security measures ensure two things: user and device authentication, and also data privacy protection, data access. So it's also known as cloud computing security, and it helps organization in enabling central management software updates, whatever their policies, from on place, and even they try to implement action to defending disaster recovery plans. Okay. So today we'll try to understand top 10 cloud security best practices, which is happening in this 2024 year. Okay. So firstly, we have secure access and identity management. So here, controlling access is one of the important and best practices of cloud security. Okay. So since the data and infrastructure are accessed over the internet, IAM, okay, it's abbreviated to the identity and access management. So we have multiple tools that are provided by the cloud providers, which allows the individuals to manage authentication as well as permission, so that individuals today can develop individual user accounts with IAM instead of sharing the credentials, which helps with the access auditing and revocation. Okay. Further, we also have multi-factor authentication on all the accounts, adds on extra layer of verification. Okay. So what? Also, to secure access regularly, we can review the permissions and we can remove unnecessary permissions also today. This is very important. And next, we also have network security. Cloud network security is a type of area of cybersecurity which is mainly focused on minimizing the chances of malicious acts. Very important area, guys. Okay, so cloud network, it requires to be properly segmented in order to develop secure network zones for multiple components. So for network security, individuals always, they need to set up subnets, virtual private clouds. They need to focus on access controllers, security groups. They need to control the traffic flows, okay, between the resources. And one should always enable private connections and limit public access. So there what we can easily enhance network security. And we should always manage vulnerabilities. Third point is management of vulnerabilities. So cloud vulnerability management mainly refers to the continuous process of reporting, okay, and remediating security risk and identifying them. So the main thing is the infrastructure, it is mainly managed by the cloud providers, hence they are the one who are responsible for the vulnerabilities. It may be in the OS, it may be in the code, it may be in the application, it may be in the system. Okay, they are the one who gonna identify and who gonna manage it, and they're gonna give us the complete report of vulnerability scans in the cloud resource, and they used to discover multiple issues, and they used to help us in patch management. We also have compliance controls. It is the science of complying with regulatory standards of cloud usage according to the guidelines of industries and national, international, local laws. Okay. So compliance controls, they are used for regulated industries. Okay. So it may be, you know, finance industries, or it may be a healthcare. So in the cloud, there will be a requirements are, like data privacy, security, right? So due to that, in order to identify necessary controls all around storage kind or encryption, logging, network security, access management, so they use this. And also there will be a third party risk management. Okay, so it's a third party risk management. It's a risk type of risk management that is mainly focused on reducing, identifying the risk which are completely related to the use of third parties. So as you know, we have plenty of third party applications, right? Yes, there will be a risk. Sometimes we're gonna use untrusted source. So there will be a threat, there will be a risk, right? So this management is going to help us in identifying, managing third-party risk management program. So with the help of cloud computing, the individual can often depend on these third-party providers for critical business functions. Okay. So we can even go with data encryption, which is very much important. So here the main process, data encryption, it is the process of protecting the data and information by using some mathematical models. Okay. So in such a way that only that particular parties will be having the key to unscramble it. Okay. So in cloud data encryption, data security process it is in which plain text data will be encoded into unreadable ciphertext in order to keep them very much secure between the cloud environments. So under that cloud environment, all your data will be stored in a secure way. Okay. So so it maintains our cloud security through our cloud providers, and it has, providing our additional safeguard there. So organizations need to manage their encryption keys in order to maintain full control over access without being dependent on the provider also. Okay. So this is what, these are all the respective, top cloud security best practices which we have. Okay, overall, the conclusion I would like to say is cloud security mainly offers all the functionality and traditional IT security. It also allows the businesses to harness multiple benefits of cloud computing. So cloud security, it helps organizations, and it also provides 24/7 visibility support, higher availability, and effective protection against DDoS attacks. So in this video, we got a comprehensive overview on best practices in 2024. So overall, cloud security is a set of cybersecurity measures which is used to protect the cloud-based data, infrastructure, and applications. Okay, and it includes so many processes and so many controls implement which strengthen our system, and it warm the potential attackers. Yes, there is a use of cloud security because it mainly allows our organizations to consolidate the protection of cloud-based network for continuous analysis of for streaming and monitoring digital assets, systems, and endpoints. Okay. So hope you enjoyed this cloud security topic here. Thank you so much.